Hey everyone, summer's here, and if you're like me, you're looking for fun, affordable ways to keep the kids entertained. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 budget-friendly summer activities that'll keep boredom at bay. First up, DIY backyard treasure hunt. Create a map, hide some small toys or treats, and let the kids' imaginations run wild as they search for buried treasure. It's an adventure without leaving home. Next, how about a craft day? Gather up some old magazines, glue, and cardboard for a collage making extravaganza. It's creative, messy, and best of all, super cheap. Number 3, water balloon games. You can get a pack of water balloons for just a few bucks, and the kids will have a blast with water balloon tosses, relays, and even a good old-fashioned water balloon fight. Perfect for those hot summer days. Fourth on the list, nature scavenger hunt. Head to a local park or even your backyard and give the kids a list of items to find, like a pine cone, a feather, or a cool rock. It's educational and gets them moving outside. Finally, movie night under the stars. Grab some blankets, popcorn, and a laptop or a projector, and turn your backyard into an outdoor theater. It's a magical way to end a summer day. There you have it. 5 fun, affordable activities to keep your kids entertained all summer long. Try them out and let me know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome ideas. See you next time.